मैडम, हाउ डू यू फील आफ्टर दर्शन ऑफ माता त्रिपुरा सुंदरी?
उनका बुलावा था, हम आ गए। ये बिल्कुल प्लान नहीं था to be here on such a beautiful day. They say that she is the mother of enlightenment and moksha. So I really hope I get both.
Anything special you pray to mother?
Just for protection. That's it. Thank you.
Your message to northeastern people?
त्रिपुरा आके बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत प्यार मिलता है मुझे जब भी मैं यहाँ पे आती हूँ, तो यहाँ पे ज़रूर आइए।
We see your
त्रिपुरावा फाइशा पशा कोलिकुति नाइकी शिपा शक्ति फुंग आजिरिजिरि जरावो न थांगै मा त्रिपुरेश्वरी मुताय थांगै खुलुमुकिया अमां प्लिताबु सोशल मीडिया वो कासे फेके तेनर वनोगु माखाना अमां प्लिट भिडियोनि स्क्रीन
that you have to be called, and I think my calling was today, and there are no coincidences, they say in life, so this is not a coincidence. She has called me here and I feel very blessed. Thank you. And the temple authorities have done a fabulous job.
Thank you.